but to beat him. Roger Ramjet, he's our man, hero of our nation. For his adventures, just be sure and stay tuned to this station. So come and join us, all you kids, for lots of fun and laughter, as Roger Ramjet and his men get all the crooks they're after. Roger Ramjet, he's our man, hero of our nation. For his adventures, just be sure and stay tuned to this station.
As today's Earthen episode begins, we find Roger Ramjet, that all-American hero and devil-may-care carer, fiddling around with a new hobby.
What are you doing, Roger?
Fiddling around with a new hobby.
If you're doing what I think you're doing, somebody will call a policeman.
Birds is what I'm doing.
That's wonderful.
Watching them. I'm taking up bird watching.
Why?
It's good for a hero to have a hobby, Yank. Besides, somebody sent me these high-powered binoculars and a book about birds. Probably one of my many fans.
Well, what fun is watching a bunch of birds?
It's a lot more fun than being attacked by a rabid horse. Come on, get the rest of the eagles, and we'll go on a field trip.
And as Yank tried to think of reasons why he couldn't go, Roger quickly packed the car and readied himself to go bouncing through the fields in search of birds to watch.
Okay, boys, let's spread out and see if we can find some rare birds. Now, according to my book, the most rare bird in the world is the mauve-breasted loxbox.
And as the bird viewers fanned out into the foliage to spy on our winged friends, what do you runny-nosed viewers think was going on elsewhere? Noodles Romanoff, the man from Nasty, was plotting a plan.
Just cast your orbs on his costume. It's a perfect likeness of the mauve-breasted loxbox. And since I sent Ramjet those binoculars in that bird-watching book, I'll bet he's out looking for one of these right now. When Ramjet sneaks up on us to get a close look, we'll knock him out. He'll never bother our nasty activities again.
Ah, so that was it, eh? That was the dirty, conniving, rotten, low-down, stinking plan, was it? Pretty good thinking, actually.
Have any luck, fellows?
I saw a lurching lead leg.
I got a close look at an orange-eyed tongue depressor.
Well, that's wonderful, but did anybody see the mauve-breasted loxbox?
No, I don't think there is such a bird.
Let's give it one more try. Spread out again, and I'll just go over into these bushes.
Okay, boys, here he comes. Get ready.
Boy, these are powerful glasses. Makes things look as though they're right on top of you. Hey, it's a mauve-breasted...
Rant, I don't see anything.
Me neither. Just some lady. Hey, wait. A mauve-breasted loxbox.
Really? What's he doing?
Kidnapping Roger and driving away in a car.
What? A bird driving a car and stealing Roger Ramjet?
Only in America.
What? Who? What? Where? Why? What's going on? Jumping jet jockeys, I've been captured by a mauve-breasted loxbox.
Oh, no, you ain't.
Not only that, but its nest and voice are just like Noodles Romanoff.
Don't be silly. I am Noodles Romanoff.
Impossible. I'm too smart to get captured by Noodles Romanoff. You must be a bird.
No, I'm not. I'm Noodles Romanoff, and I captured you. Look, I'll take my head off. Oh, drat, this thing is stuck. I can't get it off. All right, I'll go over to the gas station and have the guy there help me take my head off. I'll show you, Ramjet. Come on, boys.
Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. 4 mauve-breasted loxboxes. How keen. And on my first day as city bird catcher, I'll get my net and... Come on, my fine feathered friends. It's back to the aviary with you.
Hey, men, I found Roger.
Are you all right, Roger?
Yes, I am. They treated me fine. Those were very weird birds, though.
Why?
Well, one of them insisted he was, in reality, Noodles Romanoff.
That's weird, all right.
No world for a little note nor long remember this episode. But Noodles Romanoff won't forget it for a long, long time. Oh, no.
Doesn't it all? It sounds silly.
When Ramjet takes a proton pill, the crooks begin to worry. They can't escape their awful fate from proton's mighty fury. Roger Ramjet, he's our man, hero of our nation. For his adventures, just be sure and stay tuned to this station. So come and join us, all you kids, for lots of fun and laughter, as Roger Ramjet and his men get all the crooks they're after. Roger Ramjet, he's our man, hero of our nation. For his adventures, adventures, just be sure and stay tuned to this station.